Today we will introduce how to use TLS seed point editing in LiDAR 360. You need to open the TLS seed point editor. Under TLS Forest, select Editor, click Start Edit, and then choose the point cloud you wish to edit seed points for. After selecting the point cloud, the software will display the Filter by Elevation dialog. You can set position and buffer, or simply use the default settings. Then click the Close button in the upper right corner of the dialog to close it. Once the TLS seed point editor is open, the software will create a new seed point file by default. Alternatively, you can click Open Seed Points File in the top left corner of the editor to open an existing seed point file for editing. You can click the Fit DBH button to calculate the diameter at breadth height of a single tree using different fit method and selection tool options. This will generate a seed point automatically. You can also use the batch extraction of DBH to calculate DBH and generate seed points in bulk. If you want to manually add seed points on the point cloud, you can click Add Seed Points and then manually place seed points on the point cloud. Please note that manually added seed points only have X, Y, Z coordinates and no other attributes. To delete seed points, you can click Delete Seed Points and use the selection tool to draw a selection around the seed points you want to delete. You can also click Clear All Seed Points to remove all seed points. If you wish to view profile graphs, you can click the Profile button to open the Profile Graph Viewer. You can create and edit profiles by drawing hexagons on the main window, and you can also move the profile's position using Pan Profile. For observing seed point attributes or performing measurements, you can click Measure Individual Tree Attribute. The software will open a seed point attribute table below the viewer. You can perform measurements using measurement tools or inspect seed point attributes and edit fields. Note that this feature automatically opens when entering seed point editing. The TLS seed point editor also offers other features like point cloud segmentation from seed points and Clear Tree ID, which can clear the original tree ID in the point cloud and perform individual tree segmentation based on seed points. The specific parameters are the same as those in TLS point cloud segmentation. Now let's take a look at Filter by Elevation, which automatically appears when you open the TLS seed point editor. Next is Setting. Click this button will open the Settings dialog, which includes Parameter Setting and Display Setting. Here you can configure settings such as colors and sizes. Once you have finished setting seed points, you can save your edited seed points and exit the editor.